In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share photos on Dropbox. This process is simple and effective for sharing your pictures with friends, family, or colleagues. You'll be able to create a seamless experience for anyone who wants to access your photos. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. On your screen, you'll see a list of search results. Look carefully for the official Dropbox website link. It should be something like dropbox.com. Click on that link to ensure you're going to the correct site. This step is crucial because it keeps your account secure. You want to avoid any unofficial sites that could compromise your information. Once you are on the Dropbox homepage, look for the option to log in. Click on the login button and a prompt will appear asking for your email and password. Enter your credentials accurately. If you have trouble remembering your password, consider using a password manager or the password recovery option. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to your Dropbox dashboard. This is where all your files and folders are organized, ready for you to share. Next up, navigate to the photo or folder of photos you want to share. On your dashboard, you will see various folders and files. Take a moment to locate the specific photo or folder that contains the images you wish to share. This step is important because it ensures that you are sharing exactly what you intend. Once you find the right folder or file, you will be ready to move on to the sharing process. At this point, hover your mouse over the photo or folder, and you will see a share button appear. If you do not see this button, click on the three dots next to the folder or file name to reveal more options, including the share option. Click on the share button to open the sharing settings. This allows you to choose how you want to share your photos. Understanding where to find these options is essential for a smooth sharing experience. Now, you will choose your sharing method. If you decide to invite someone by email, type their email address into the designated field. After entering the email, select the permission level you want to grant them. You can choose either can view or can edit. Once you have made your selections, click on the button that says Share Folder or File. This action sends an invitation to the email address you provided. This step ensures that your recipients receive the access they need, making it easier for them to view or edit your photos. Alternatively, if you prefer to send a link, you can do that too. Click on the Create Link option at the bottom of the sharing settings. After that, click on Copy Link to save the URL to your clipboard. This link can be pasted into an email, message, or any other platform where you want to share it. Sending a link is often quicker and more convenient, especially if you want to share with multiple people at once. Following these steps will help you efficiently share your photos on Dropbox. You can rest assured that your images are now accessible to those you want to share them with. Thank you for watching and enjoy sharing your photos.